How are you doing today? Today I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube thumbnail, right? It's very easy and a simple way. Just 2 minutes you can create your thumbnail. So without wasting time, I'm going to directly on the website. So the website name is here picmaker.com. So it's a free website, free of cost. You don't need to pay money. This is a free of cost. So what you're gonna do, you need to go here, create your free. Click here, and then there is a lot of option for you: YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, and there is a lot of option. So for you need to and if you don't want, you just need to click here, simple, and here, then loading. Maybe you need to download flash and then download here, simple. Okay, so this is also have a demonstration video. So maybe if you don't know, you can play this video and you can see how they can work, right? So there is a bunch of, you can see here, there is a bunch of for you, like if you want to create for your business, you want to create for your fashion, food, health, fitness, travel, personal, motivational, anyone. So for example, if I want to select for one, if I want to use for my personal or food or business, so you don't need to do other things, just need to drag here, and the first one, and you can write the name, just edit here. See, you can see in the here, you can edit, you can edit, you can edit, and you also can edit the picture, and your thumbnail is ready, right? I think this is very simple way, and you also can use a lot of things, like the text is a free text. There's a lot of applications, language, and you can use text anyone. If you don't want this text, you can change here, and you also can use this one, some icons like stickers, frames, shapes, charts, photos, any other, right? I think this is very simple way. Just 2 minutes you can create your thumbnail, right? You don't need to make any designing, you don't need any experience. Just text here, edit here, and you can create your thumbnail. Just 2 minutes. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.